friends, I am Silpi Gaitwar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making heeng moongdal khichdi. If you like my recipe, then please like, share the video. And if you are new, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks. Ingredients: half cup rice, half cup moong dal, half tablespoon salt, some garlic, half teaspoon heeng powder, 2 dry red chili, half teaspoon cumin. So friends, let's start today's heeng moong dal khichdi recipe. Wash the moong dal and rice. Now put it in pressure cooker. Add half tablespoon of salt. Add 1.5 liters of water. Now cook it for 5 whistles. After cooking, now serve it in a serving bowl. Now add heeng, cumin, garlic and dry red chili, tempering to the khichdi.